Alright, grouped in with the other last video, I watched Strokes at Coachella last night, and was trying to figure out some songs on ukulele here Sunday morning the next day. Figuring out how I'd play it on ukulele. So the next one is You Only Live Once, which starts with bum 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 bum. I'm playing it in C. I'm not sure what key it's actually in. So we're going to start up here kind of barring 5th fret. That's how I do it. I'm not sure if you can see, I'm throwing my pinky down here at what would be 8th fret on the 2nd string to get that's high string. That's that note right there coming out. So you kind of want to hear that come out of it. So with the strumming pattern, so barring at 5th fret again, the intro sounds good on uke. And then we're going to come down here to the C part where I'm going to keep an extra finger up here to get that kind of like strong C sound with the melody up here. And then we're going to do the Some people think they're always right, others are quiet and uptight. So you're kind of playing all the different parts from the guitar part, where it would be like, maybe one would be like, you know, you're kind of trying to get the melody in there with the strumming pattern of it all. So that's kind of the verse there. So you're going to keep doing that until the gon' get up. So that would be a million ways to start a fight. I know, gon' get up. Now this is kind of a walk up from a D minor to an E minor, to a F with a C at the top, because you want to hear the bum 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 bum. It's going to come down to the G, and then you'll start with it. So it's a D E F G, D D E F G, and then the next one is kind of the same thing, but you go G F D. You're going to go start from the C as well. C E G F. So that's how you kind of come back down the other way. So you do the first one. C, then E, G, F, and then D minor, E, F, G, E, then it's C, E minor, G, F, then D minor, E, F, G, kind of messed it up there, shut me down, C, E, G, F, and I'll come D minor, E, F, G, and I'll get along with you. So that's pretty much it there. You want to hit those changes pretty quick. And again, I think having that high note in the C, from the C and the F chord there, it's not normally in there. So, or I mean, it is in there, but like not in that strength or in that voicing, but it kind of fits the song. So that's kind of both, going from the intro, kind of butchered it there, but there it is. Pretty much the two parts there, with the chorus as well, with those two different parts, walking up one way, then walking it down the other way from the C. Sorry, I guess kind of walking it up and then back and forth. Alright, have fun. Let me know if you have any questions, but otherwise that's just another fun little ditty, and it sounds really good on ukulele.